Hi guys, welcome you all. In today's video of English literature, we are going to discuss The Pilgrim's Progress, a famous novel by John Bunyan. And in this video, we will discuss themes and characters involved in this novel of John Bunyan. Yes friends, ये novel जो है ये 1678 में publish हुई है. Allegorical novel है, Christian allegory से related है, धर्म के ऊपर, रिलीजन के ऊपर रिलेटेड है ये नॉवल. एंड जॉन बर्नर ने हाउ ही हैड ब्यूटीफुली एक्सप्लेन और ब्यूटीफुली told the story of a man who started his journey from the destruction city to the celestial city. किस तरीके से वो अपनी जर्नी को स्टार्ट करता है and what things he get in his way to the celestial city. He all had discussed very beautifully in this novel, The Pilgrim's Progress, and it is regarded as one of the best novel of English literature. Let's discuss the themes and characters about this novel of John Bunyan. And the first important, we will discuss the theme of the Pilgrim's Progress. And the first we have the part 2, salvation, mukti ka rasta. This is one of the important theme of this novel by John Bunyan, and through his character Christian, John Bunyan had very beautifully describes the struggles and the difficulties that comes across in the ways टू सॉल्वेशन. जो रास्ते में भी, सॉल्वेशन के रास्ते में जो कुछ स्ट्रगल्स, जो कुछ कठिनाइयाँ मिलती हैं हुई, उन्होंने वो क्रिश्चियन जो मेन कैरेक्टर है, जो प्रोटागोनिस्ट है इस नॉवेल का, उसके थ्रू बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुली डिस्क्राइब किया है. एंड द क्रिश्चियन स्टार्टेड हिज जर्नी फ्रॉम the city of destruction to the city to the celestial city. City of destruction is called this world, and celestial city is heaven. And this is the ultimate purpose of a man's life or individual's life, to get salvation if in any religion. That's why it's described here in this novel by John Bunyan. Next we have no shortcuts, no detours. That is another important theme of this novel. No shortcuts means to reach the celestial city, means स्वर्ग को जाने का कोई भी रास्ता ऐसा नहीं है. You cannot get any shortcut to reach celestial city. This was also described because Christian was the character who adopt that place to reach the wicket gate, not any shortcut. जो wicket gate की तरफ वो जाता है, जो पार्ट फर्स्ट में चैप्टर 3 में डिस्क्राइब किया गया है, बाय द सेलेस्टियल सिटी की तरफ जाने का जो रास्ता है, दैट गो थ्रू दी विकेट गेट, वो विकेट गेट की तरफ से ही जाता है. एंड देयर इज नो शॉर्टकट्स. दैट्स व्हाई क्रिश्चियन कोट करता है, टेलिंग हिम दैट ही दैट कम्थ नॉट इन बाय द डोर बट क्लाइम्थ अप सम अदर वे, द सेम इज अ थीप एंड रॉबर. वो कह रहा है कि जो भी इस रास्ते को ना अडॉप्ट करके, विकेट गेट की तरफ ना जा करके उन्होंने कुछ शॉर्टकट किया है, it is like thief and robbers do the same thing as the people are doing to reach the celestial city. And if you are reaching the celestial city, you have to go through the wicket gate की तरफ से जाना होगा, and you have to face all the difficulties come across in the path to the celestial city. Next we have the theme, role of fear in faith. This is another important theme of this novel, The Pilgrim's Progress. And fear plays an important role in the pilgrimage of Christian and the other pilgrims. Yes, friends, because through Bunyan's belief that fear of God is a beginning of wisdom. बनियान जो है, जॉन बनियान जो है, नॉवलिस्ट हैं इस नॉवेल के, he had said that if fear of God is the beginning of wisdom, if you get wisdom, if you are have a some kind of fearness related to the God. और यहाँ पे वो क्लियर करते हैं कि what is fear all about. वो क्लियर करता है that the fear of God is to be in awe and believe in his mercy, power and grace, while to be frightened holds no such virtue. वो कह रहा है don't be frightened through the of the fear of the God, but fear of God is the sense that believe in the mercy, power and grace of God. That is called the fear in the description or in the notion of John Bunyan in this novel, The Pilgrim's Progress. So we have discussed here three important themes: path to salvation, no shortcuts, and role of fear in this faith. Let's discuss few more themes of this novel. Another theme involved in this novel, that is imprisonment and liberation. Yes, friends, in this novel, John Bunyan has wrote that in prison, people are struggling for liberation. John Bunyan had wrote this first part of this book. He was in jail. जब वो जेल में थे तब उन्होंने ये पार्ट लिखा हुआ है, फर्स्ट पार्ट जो है इस नॉवेल का. And he has said that, and he has also impart the same thing in his novel Pilgrim's Progress, that pilgrims are struggles for liberation from this temporal, this worldly pleasure, this temporal words. He Peoples are struggling फॉर लिबरेशन. वो आज़ादी चाहते हैं इस जो वर्ल्डली प्लेजर में वो फंसे हुए हैं. एंड दिस he can they can get through salvation, or through his journey to celestial city. And time and again Banyan finds his characters and themselves in prison, such as first Christian was a man in iron cage, and the interpreter house. Christian and faithful are jailed in Vanity Fair. These are some kinds of the things that John Bunyan has involved in his novel, because he wants to give a lesson, give a message that imprisonment is a worldly pleasure, and people are get wanted to get rid of all these things, and they are fed up of all this. वो इससे तंग आ चुके हैं, and they want pleasure, and God's grace is always the means of liberation. This is he had said in his novel. And next we have the pilgrimage or journey. Yes, this is also one of the important thing, because in this novel you will when you will read this, you will get that this is the novel all about journey से related है, from the city of destruction to the celestial city. सिटी ऑफ डिस्ट्रक्शन से लेकर के सेलेस्टियल सिटी तक के जो यहाँ पे स्ट्रगल्स, हार्डशिप्स जो दिखाए गए हैं, व्हाट कैरेक्टर्स आर फेसिंग, that is all about journey. And Christian, he moves from city of destruction to the city of Zion, or city of celestial city. And that most characters are happening, they have some kinds of journey. Friends, let's discuss the character list of this novel, The Pilgrim's Progress. And the first we have the narrator. He was the novelist John Bunyan. John Bunyan narrates this story as if he is seeing this story in his dream. उन्होंने इसको नरेट करने को सोचा. एंड द रिवलेशन ऑफ क्रिश्चियन जर्नी इज समथिंग ही विशेस टू शेयर विद कम्युनिटी, बिकॉज through the character Christian, he has given a lesson, given a kind of message to the humanity, to the community of the world. Next character we have Evangelist. Evangelist is what appears to instruct Christian how to get rid himself of his burden. Yes, Evangelist was the person who first tell Christian हाउ ही कैन गेट, किस तरीके से वो अपने बोझ के तले जो वो दब रहा है उससे किस तरीके से वो छुटकारा पा सकता है. एंड इवेंगलिस्ट वाज द फर्स्ट पर्सन हु टोल्ड क्रिश्चियन, हु सोज क्रिश्चियन द विकेट गेट, जो उसको विकेट गेट के बारे में बताता है, और उसको बताता है कि दैट थ्रू दिस you can get salvation, or through this you can go to the celestial city, and you can get rid of your burden, whatever you are being through or whatever you are going through. आप अपनी sufferings को आप खत्म कर सकते हो if you go to the celestial city through the gate of wicket gate से आप जाओगे. एंड वही एक पहला पर्सन होता है जो जो क्रिश्चियन को इसके बारे में, सेलेस्टियल सिटी के बारे में बताता है. नेक्स्ट वी हैव क्रिश्चियन, नोन एज ग्रेसलेस और जस्ट मैन, जो एवरी मैन के बारे में वो बताता है. क्रिश्चियन वॉज द कैरेक्टर जिसको जॉन बर्नियान ने प्रोटागोनिस्ट बनाया हुआ है इस नॉवल में. एंड क्रिश्चियन इज द प्रोटागोनिस्ट ऑफ जॉन बर्नियान्स एलेगरी. ही इज एवरी मैन, ही इज मीन टू इंस्पायर रीडर्स, यस, जस्ट एज हिज स्टोरी इंस्पायर्स अदर कैरेक्टर्स इन पिलग्रिम्स प्रोग्रेस, because Christian has suffered many difficulties, he has faced many hardships through his way to celestial city. Next we have Obstinate. Obstinate was the first man that Christian encounter as he leaves on his pilgrimage. वो उसके गांव का ही रहता है, उसकी जहाँ पे वो डिस्ट्रक्टेड सिटी का ही रहता है ऑब्स्टिनेट. एंड वो पहला ऐसा पर्सन होता है जो क्रिश्चियन से मिलता है. Obstinate eventually refuses to accompany Christian on his journey, later publicly mock him for leaving. Next we have Pliable. Obstinate and Pliable both were the person वो पार्टनर बनते हैं इसके प्लाइबल भी क्रिश्चियन की जर्नी का, बट ऑब्स्टिनेट वो को बीच में ही तुरंत ही छोड़ के चला जाता है। एंड प्लाइबल एग्रीज टू कंपनी क्रिश्चियन। प्लाइबल लीव्स क्रिश्चियन एज द स्लो ऑफ डेस्पॉन्ड। जब वो दलदल में फंस जाते हैं तो वहां पे वो प्लाइबल उसको छोड़ देता है। नेक्स्ट इज हेल्प। हेल्प appears to assist Christian in his escape from the slough of despond। जब दलदल में फंसा होता है क्रिश्चियन एंड क्रिश्चियन आस्क फॉर हेल्प, देन हेल्प कम टू हेल्प हिम। उसको मदद करने के लिए आता है। तो हेल्प इज ऑल्सो अ कैरेक्टर इन दिस नॉवेल, जॉन बनियन। फ्रेंड्स, देयर आर मेनी मोर कैरेक्टर्स हियर इन दिस नॉवेल by John Bunyan, and we have we will cover few of them here. And next we have Mr. Worldly Wise Man. Mr. Worldly Wise Man is the prince real temptation for Christian. Yes, because Christian has started his journey to the celestial city, और वहाँ पे उसको रास्ते में temptation and greedy peoples मिलते हैं, and Worldly Wise Man was the one of them, जो उसको distract करते हैं not to go to the wicked through wicket gate। वो उसको बताते हैं कि yes you cannot, you should not go to this gate because it would be so long, you बस गेट शॉर्टकट, आपको शॉर्टकट लेना चाहिए। एंड वो कहता है कि by going to the town of morality and following the guidance of Mr. Legality and his son, you will get rid of this burden। Don't need to go wicked थ्रू विकेट गेट टू दी सेलेस्टियल सिटी। आप मोरालिटी टाउन जाओ, वहां पे आपको मिस्टर लीगलिटी और उसके सन मिलेंगे जो आपको गाइड करेंगे, एंड यू विल गेट रीड ऑफ योर बर्डन। नेक्स्ट वी हैव मिस्टर लीगलिटी। ही इज द हेड ऑफ द टाउन ऑफ मोरालिटी। Mr. Legality presents the law, though he doesn't ultimately snares Christian. His smooth talking has snared many other would-be pilgrims। Yes, वो बहुत ही फ्लैटर टाइप का पर्सन होता है, एंड बहुत ही स्मूथली टॉक करता है टू डिस्ट्रैक्ट पिलग्रिम्स फ्रॉम देयर वे टू दी celestial city। Next we have faithful। Faithful is Christian's first companion to the pilgrimage। They meet up after Christian passes through the valley of the shadow of death, and the two shares enlightened कन्वर्सेशन। फेथफुल बिकम्स अ martyr एट Vanity Fair। जो फेथफुल होता है इसका फ्रेंड होता है, इसका कंपेनियन होता है इसके रास्ते में, जो उस यात्रा पे वो जा रहा होता है सेलेस्टियल सिटी की तरफ, एंड दे हैव कन्वर्सेशन, वेरी नॉलेजेबल कन्वर्सेशन। बट फेथफुल जो होता है वो मटायर हो जाता है वैनिटी फेयर में। दैट वाज द प्लेस, दैट वाज अ प्लेस थ्रू द जर्नी of the celestial city। Next we have Apollyon। Apollyon was the fierce monster who inhabits in the valley of humiliation, because there are so many description of the valleys of the hardships through the way to the celestial city, and valley of humiliation was one of them. Apollyon was the monster there. Next we have shame। Faithful meets shame in the valley of humiliation. He represents the self-conscious upper class of the Restoration Society that rejected religious as simplistic and enlightened. And shame was also one of the important character. And through the shame, uh, he represents the upper society or restoration society classes, because this novel is also a satirical novel, allegorical novel, जो कि उस टाइम के इंग्लैंड के कंडीशंस को, इंग्लैंड के सोसाइटी को सटाराइज करता है, वहाँ के रिलीजियस माइंडसेट को सटाराइज करता है। एंड इन द सेम वे वी हैव द कैरेक्टर फ्यू ऑफ देम। Mercy, a commonly young woman, a friend and neighbor who joins Christina on his pilgrimage, later marries Matthews. Ignorance was also a very glad who comes down a little crooked lane from the country of conceit and encounter Christian and hopeful in the holy way. So these are the important character, and we have also the character of Christina, who was the wife of the Christian, and his son was also there in the second part of this novel. So friends, we have discussed here important characters and the themes of this novel. Later on we will discuss the summary of this novel. Thank you very much for watching this.